Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to play Roblox on Meta Quest or Quest 2. Step 1, in the Oculus app on your computer, click devices. Step 2, click add handset. Step 3, select Quest or Quest 2 and click continue. Step 4, connect your Quest or Quest 2 to your computer with the link cable and click continue. Step 5, click continue. Step 6, click close. Step 7, on your headset, look for a data access prompt and either allow or deny the request. Step 8, on the headset, select enable. Step 9, in the Oculus app, click setting. Step 10, click general. Step 11, enable unknown sources. Step 12, locate a Roblox game that supports VR and click the play button. Step 13, if the Roblox game does not launch in VR mode, open the settings and select VR. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.